with Sherry Gordy Presents Take the Stage with Mr. Howard Rice. How you doing, Howard?
I'm doing great. How you doing today, man?
I'm doing pretty good, man. Your performance was stellar. You did Luther justice.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
You know, you're from Baltimore. You know Luther used to play the clubs over there with that group called Change, right?
Yes, yes.
Have you ever met Luther or seen him?
I have. I used to work for Jay Leno, the Tonight Show, and I was his production assistant. And I was working, and I went upstairs and coming down the hallway, and Luther was in the doorway, and he says, "What do you do?" And I said, "I'm J-Lo's production assistant." He says, "No, what do you do?" And I said, "Well, I'm a singer." He said, "Bust a note." And I started singing. Love has truly been good to me. Not even one sad day, a minute have I had since you come my way. And he stopped me. He says, "Whoa, you know who you sound like?" I said, "Who?" He said, "You sound just like me. Don't never stop singing. Don't never stop singing. Because you got it, man. You got it." So God has blessed me. You know, He's blessed me with the word.
See, Motown, when did you experience the Motown magic?
I've been listening to Motown all my life, but I went down to the Seagram Center in Orange County where they had the Motown show, the Motown musical, and they called me up out of the audience. They said, "We have any singers in the house?" And I said, "Yeah." I raised my hand, and they called me down, and I went down and sing. Reach out and touch somebody's hand. And I pulled away, and the young lady said, "Whoa, where you going?" And I finished the song. The whole place stood up. This is the truth. And when I finished that, I went and sat down. These two guys came and got me and said, "Someone behind stage would like to meet you." And it was Mr. Berry Gordy. You can go to my website. You can go to Facebook. You can go to YouTube. See what I'm all about. My website is www.freewebs.com/Howard Rice, and you can read all about me, my new CD, the songs I've written, who I have produced, and so forth. Nah.